Every single day, millions of people fly while depending on technology built by Collins Aerospace. Everything from cockpit displays and weather radar to cabin systems. Yet, if you ask those same passengers who built that tech, they'll likely draw a blank. Our mission is to make Collins visible. So, we are Team 7. I'm Akansha. With me is Himanshi. And we have developed two strategies to bridge this gap, transforming Collins from an invisible manufacturer into a brand that air travels and future engineers actually recognize and trust. Right now, only about 2 out of 5 people are aware of the products Colin built. In our research, we met Ava, a traveler who just assumed Boeing made everything inside the plane. But here's the exciting part. When Ava learned that a specialized company like Collins handles these systems, she didn't feel anxious. She felt reassured. Our research shows that users aren't resistant to Collins, they are just unaware. Once they are exposed to the brand, curiosity kicks in immediately. And so, just like Ava, when we interviewed 5 different participants for 20 to 25 minutes, we learned the same things. We observed the same things that we observed with Ava. The first thing was invisible by default. The second, curiosity over anxiety. Third, evidence over claims. And finally, Miles unlock engagement. So, as all 5 said that they will tap the Collins setback module for bonus miles, and which was the start for our first strategy.
So we have two strategies. First is Fly Informed, in which our audience is air travelers from the age 25 to 45 who have loyalty applications from different airlines like miles or rewards. Second strategy is Can You Break It, which is for audience, which is our students from the age group 18 to 24 who are engineers and are active on TikTok and Instagram. So first, our strategy is about people who are frequent flyers, and for them, we'll have a module that appears on their seat back screen, which is below the entertainment module. And it's a low friction experience because you will see a Collins awareness block, and you can see different facts about them, and you can also enter your frequent flyer number. And you can see different facts and then collect the miles as well at the end of it. And this shows that gamification can be included within such elements which can make people more aware of the thing, and they can also get some reward or incentive in return for that. The second strategy is Can You Break It, which is for people who are from aged, like 18 to 24. And we have two different things over here. We can have videos on Instagram and TikTok, and people can see day in the life of an engineer, how they work, and how the things they are building can impact everyone's lives or everyday life as well. They can also follow them, and they can also see everything like the series of the content. And on the website we can have some series of content like events or upcoming sessions, and also a career page which can encourage engineers to apply to jobs directly to Collins, and they can be more aware of what Collins does as a company. Similarly, we have a user journey for Maya, from which she'll be going to a flight first, then to discovery phase, and then she'll learn something about the company, and then she'll be getting some incentive or the reward for that. And then she'll recognize the company Collins, and then the trust builds from there on. And similarly for Jordan, which is from strategy 2, we'll have the discovery stage cleared, engagement stage where he's impressed with how Collins does the work, and then he gets that inspiration by seeing Meet the Engineer program, and she can be like she wanna work there as well, and then she'll find some real world connections, and the trust will build from there on.
Talking about the awareness impact, trust building, and feasibility. This works across this our strategy work. फिर से करती
Mhm.
हूँ. So, our strategy works across 3 things: awareness, trust, and feasibility. For awareness, we reach people where they already are: apps, socials, and seatbacks. So, it scales without heavy spend. For trust, we show real testing and keep it simple and human. And for feasibility, Collins already does this work. We just capture it, pilot it, and scale it cost effectively. And so Colin is invisible today, but Through these two strategies, we make it unforgettable. Every person who boards a flight should know the name of the company that designed the technology, keeping them safe. Together, these strategies create a full brand life cycle. Thank you.